Wangsan. Menjur kekenhun Menteri ke Sarkar ya kemang tingkah kat kum kejengmi na kabenta ketenat ke kuat kekia kejeng penrung kampura ya kinong hikai SSA bat kejeng siu na kabenta kit kuat ke BDP. Ompat dap rai ke Sarkar ya katarik ban penlong election jong ke Garo Hills Autonomous District Council dang penkre ya kikendon. Ngadon bat pi ke pang pedeng jong ke Empathy Art Exhibition bala play hanong bak shalom ban kentiu ya ke mensim smurit bat ban yarap ya kiba kiwei lingba ke sab jongki kun samla. Ka jingpoi kelenti rel ha Mizoram kala penhiar dor ya kitiar kitar bat ki marba mardi ong menteri rangba ke Mizoram ulaldu homa. Badon pleu Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ya kajing parit ke bakrau ke ban penlong ha kiba dia pen menau Amit Shah ya ke Run for Unity ha barok ke wei keri. Mentangin ya kami ya ki kubur babnia ha ke jela. Menteri ke Sarkar ba wailat miki shela henen ke sengi ula ajing kren syakilat pathai kubor ban pentip halor ki rai ba kongsan ba ka kenhon ki menteri kala shim ula penbena ba ka kenhon menteri kala menjur ban pentri kami ya ka jingmang pisa kat kum ka jingmi na ka benta ka tenat ka kuat ka kia kakenhun ki menteri kala menjeru ban penrum kampurano ya kinong hikai kiba hikai ya ki khana kiba long kerpang bat kinong hikai SSA hadin malayo ya kajing betha na ka yeng ka syari Supreme Court uba syala ula ong baka tenat puli puti kala dap ban sedang ban pentamai ya karukam siu tulop nalor kata ula ya thuru baka kenhun ki menteri kala menjur ya ka MEGHALAYA Village Defence Organisation rule arhajar arfusan ha ka bagi dekhot ka VDP ki bala register kerteng bat ka organisation ken yo ya ka jing siu ka balai spa hadu lai hajar tingka ha ka shibnai kum kadak ban burom ya ki halor ki kam bagi trei ban wanra ya ka jing shngan bat shongsuk shongsngan ha ka imlang kasalang kantam haki jaka kapun.
The SSA, as you already know, that just recently the teachers have met our Honorable Chief Minister and the Education Minister. They have agreed to have a new pay structure. So they have already agreed on that, and also at the same time they have agreed for the rationalization. So today we from the government, so we have approved, principally have approved that to start the rationalization process. We have increased the out of pocket from we usually 300, now it's going to be 3,000, which we really hope that it will really encourage the people with our VDPs. So definitely we want to see that our VDP active, especially and in today's time, as you know that we are facing the challenges of crime and drugs and even in border areas. So that's why it means like we hope that with these new rules, then I think we will really be able to encourage our villages to form the village defense party.
Menteri ke Sarkar ba wailat miki shela ula pentip ba ke Sarkar kampat dep shimrai ban bu ya katarik ban penlong ya ke election jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ADC watla ke jeng kren kala ya chakmat ula pentip ba ya katarik ban penlong ya ke election on sa pentip hadin bala dep shnalut ya baro ki kendon Commissioner bat Secretary ketenat District Council Affairs uba CV Dingdo ula pentip baya ka election on sa penlong da ka babut renti ya ki kendon ka ADC ban penti kena ba baro ki badai hok ban yo tap vote kin yo ban tap ya ka vote ka jongki.
The election is like going to be happen next year. So today the cabinet, because as you know, no doubt we have not decided the date yet, but the government has to start a preparatory step. So that's why today we in the cabinet we passed the schedule for the preparation of role for the conduct of the election in Garo Hills. So like I already said that the government has to start the preparatory step, because we need to have the role ready before the date of the election comes.
See, there are criteria, you have to be a permanent resident, etc. I don't have the rules in front of me right now, so it'll be wrong for me to comment. But we can, definitely once the process starts, brief the press on what is the rule being followed. Everything will go as per rules. There's a period of filing of claims and objections. There's a process of the draft rule being published, then the final rule being published. and the process is there where you can file your claims objection. So those who are entitled to vote can do that as per the rules. So the rules will be followed.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ubak lakaman rembui hinin kesengi ula play ya ka yang skul bertemai jong ka amtapo government lower primary school kepala seng haus nem syajar kendai sepak san punyo. Ha ka jingkren ka jong ubak rembui ula penbana ba ka jingdan jong ki bala nang tho nang pulih ha ka jela Meghalaya kala tam ya ka kendai po na ka sispa bat ong ba ka jela kan sapleru ya ka engineering college ka baningkong du ha ka jela ha ka lifeway terik risau arhajar arpesan. Ulapan pauru bahapo ka Mission Education 4 on snapan maha ya ki ying school on bishar benia ya ki nohikai ki bala syak penduk kam but on ai bai bam ya ki samla pule. Uba remboi ula ongru bada ka jingwan ra ya ka skim Jal Jivan Mission lala ban pueng ya ka jingkerdu jong ki nong chong snong ha ki jaka baper.
Itaki SSA building api ki hok ki jompi. Tuan kampak Bakundu unang mikmat banje, bangla banlewat ya kah. Nasmo tenang, lembaga di syabia kajampi. Kasorkar kala ibit bilang bangan law. Kemudian minister apa osaka. Kandai kajing sarong, handai kadi galam kor. Kebakundu bangin saindo, ya kastet kejongi.
Komisi Benta jong ka Vigilance Awareness Week ka Power Grid North Eastern Region negasngi kala penlong ya ka jingyat pajba ha KV Happy Valley halor ka pang Vigilance a shared responsibility ha ka bagi kena school bat kinong tray ka Power Grid kilara ya ki plakat bat kila penpau ya ka jing persya halor ka jing bamsab. Executive Director Rajesh Gupta ula penyat ya kani kajing persyak bamsab kat baki weipat ki he officer Manish Kumar Tiwari bat SK Maji kila penpau ya kajing dan kam ban penyaso ya ki samla pulih ha kajing ya kun persyak ya kajing bamsab. Ya kani ka Awareness Week la rakhe nado ka apunyo terik risau hado ka arterik naiwing da kajing penlong ya kajing elekai baper na ka benta ki kenna.
We are observing this Vigilance Awareness Week from 27th October to 2nd November this year, and aim is to make people aware about corruption and the need of probity and ethics and integrity in our behavior.
इस करप्शन के विरुद्ध लड़ाई में हम लोग सतर्कता जागरूकता सप्ताह मना रहे हैं और ये 27 से 31 अक्टूबर तक है और हम इसमें यंग जनरेशन को भी जोड़ना चाहते हैं, इसीलिए हम स्कूल से ये कार्यक्रम कर रहे हैं सो दैट जो हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं उनको संस्कार मिले.
Ka District Sports Office ningasngi kala penlong ya ka Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program baningkong du ha ka block level ha District Auditorium Hatura. Ha kan ka program lawan isyam benta dapalat sans pa angut ki samla pulih na ki khat santeli ki school ki badon Hatura bat ki jaka bamarjan ha ka bakilai isyam benta ha ki jingya ko baper ban peni bat penpau ya ka sap ka phong ka jongki. Haba ajeng kran ha kan ka program u District Sports Officer u Saljagring Marak ulayaro ya ka jingwan isyam benta shitham jongki samla bat ong baki nong job na ka block level kin sa syajid ban yakun ha ka district level ka ban salong ha ka laiterik unaiwing bat kinong job kin sa yo ya kalat ban yakun pat sa ha ki state level national level but what shadu ka international level.
Since this is the first Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, we have conducted in every blocks. The participants in the schools are very good. We are very happy. And today in the Tura headquarters we have 15 schools, numbering about 500 plus students. And the events we have conducted here are solo, like painting. We have story writing, we have guitar, etc. And group we have folk song, folk dance, and we have tug of war.
Ka District Disaster Management Authority East Giant Hills kala rakhe ya ka National Disaster Reduction Day 2000 ha DC office clear yan. Ki nong train nakatanat civil defense, fire and emergency services but DDMA kila ai jing hikai da ka bapin I nuksa kumno ban pikir la da ja ka jing ploding but kumno ban ai jing rap but ban ai ya ka jing sumar bakirke la da ja ba wan lin shop kanu ka jingja. Ka Additional Deputy Commissioner but DDMA CEO ka Kong JU Khatpuri kala kentu ya ki samla pule ban penon kam ya kini ki jinghikai ha ki school but ha ka imlang ka salang khnang bakin la ban pendunai ya ki jingmal ada wanja kanu ka jingwan lin shop ka mariang.
Because sometimes when disaster comes suddenly, everybody panics, and this panicking is such a bad issue where most of the persons they forget how to control their panicking and then forget to cover themselves or forget to prevent themselves from harm. So many kinds of accidents happen because of panicking.
La penlong ya ka District Industrial Exhibition ba Kendai Habod Bado Multi Facility Center Ampati ban pen inam ya ki tiar kitar bala penmi da ki barikor bat ki nong sengkam lajong nakathan Southwest Garo Hills. Haga nika program ba arsngi bala play perda da un Additional Deputy Commissioner u Dr. WCR Marak la sakhi ya ka jingdon hadu kumba apu arjat ki dukan ki bakentup ya ki tiar bar ki jingshna than kiti bar ki judging bam shet hi ba bun rukom. Kathong jong kanika exhibition bala penlong da ka District Commerce and Industry Center la kalong ban kentiu ya kayo jong kinong sengkam la jong khnang bakin la ban yeng halaki jong kijat bat ru ban pin inam ya ka jingkiu jong ki kam karkhana pin mitiar ha ka district. Ka Office Jong Deputy Commissioner ka East and West Khasi Hills District mentakas ngi kala penlong ya ka program pinsmutu patba halor ka an MEGHALAYA Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA arjar khatenrio na ka benta ki nongyalam shnong ha multi-purpose hall DC office Mairang. U Additional Deputy Commissioner uba A Nongbri, u Superintendent of Police uba D Keriam, but u Assistant Executive Commissioner uba L Mirthong. Kila ay ya ka jingbatay benya halor ka rukom trekam jong kani ka an. Kathong jong kani ka program ka long man pensung thu ya kinong yalam shnong shaphang ka MRSSA arhajar khatenrio khnang bakan pensuk ya kinong yalam shnong bat ya ki pulit ban bu record ya kinong shong wai ha ki shnong ki thau bat kan penklan ya ka jing shngan ha ka emlang ka salang. Ka Internal Quality Assurance Cell Jongka Jaintia Eastern College Kliariat kala penlong ya ka National Workshop ka bashisngi halor ka research methodology and application of AI in research. Ha ka bala baiting ka ya ka ni ka ICSSR but NERC Shillong. U Additional Deputy Commissioner u S Marak ulay shimmenta kum ukongsan ha ka ni ka sngi ha ka ba Professor Ratul Mahanta but u Dr. Hassan A. Ahmed na Guwahati University kila one eye jingkren ha ka ni ka jingyalang halor ka jingpenya so lang ya ki tiar AI ban kentiu ya ka jing trikam jong ka jingwat benya bat ka jingpinwandur. Ki nong hikai ki restart ba ki samla pule na ki judging pule ba pher kila shimmenta ha ka ni ka jingyalang.
How we approach data, deeper exploration of pattern and relationship, from automating literature review to predictive modeling and simulation. AI empower researchers to innovate and explore beyond traditional boundaries.
Mentang ini pai shi kini ki jingpin mana.
कहानी है सुना रही आकाशवाणी फिर आया एंटरटेनमेंट का रेवोल्यूशन जब कोने कोने पहुंचा दूरदर्शन कहानी नहीं बदली स्टाइल गया है बदल जो कहानियां हम सुनते आए देखते आए अब वही वैसी ही कहानी सुनाएगा डिजिटल।
Download Waves OTT app now and watch for free.
Mentangin ya pai biang syaki kubor ki badangsa. Ban penbat ya ke jing penrung ya ke an riti drustur jong ki garo ha ke riti sensyar jong ke ri u sembut CEM jong ke GHADC u nikman CH marak nen kesngi la penlong ya ke jing yalang bat ke All Mahari Association Hatura Circuit House. Kini ke jing yalang kalong hadin ke jing betha jong ulat ke jela ban bishar bnia bat shna thamai ki ya ki benta jong ke an. Umarak uloong bala aipor ya kinong yalam jong ka mahari hadu ka arpo tarik unai wing batkin ai ya kijing ai jing mut ki jongki kam tam halor ki kendon ka bampat la ban penbet ka batai uai ugaro ula benrap ru babon ki kendon la menjur bat ki kam ki babnya on sale hadin bala yo ya kijing ai jing mut na ki seng.
Now we had discussed and they had sought some time. And we had fixed 28th of this November to submit their suggestions, to submit their resolutions among the Maharis, and they will submit it to us. And we will, based on their submissions, suggestion, we will act on it. And most of the provisions have been already cleared. Only one provision in Chapter 1, who is Garo. These are some complicated issues and very important issues also. We have been discussing particularly these issues.
Kanong ba Shillong kala sakhi ya ka program ka bakirpang ka jingpini inam ka bakren shapang ka jinglong ka basngaurit kata halor ka phang padeng ngadon bat phi. Kani ka ke Empathy Art Exhibition ka bala pelong da ka project Empathy ha ringkat ka jingetri lang bat ka Assam Rifles Public School. Ka thong jong kani ka exhibition ka long ban pin sa priang ya ka khubor ka jing sngorit ling ba ki jing drodur bat ka jing o shrong ba ki khana school ki pin pau. Tungina pet ya kani ka khubor bakirpang.
Kani ka program la penlong ha All Saints Hall Shillong ban ya penya so lang ya ki rong ki sap ki phong bat ka jinglong ka basngorit halor ka pang padeng ngadon bat phi. Ya kani ka Empathy Art Exhibition la ple pat ba do Justice Sumansan upade Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court. Kani ka exhibition kani ka jingrakhe ya ka jinglong ka basngorit ha ka ba lala banyo i lingba ki khmat jong ki khana school ki bapen paw lingba ka sap ka phong ka jongki ban penya so ya ka jing i ka jingedai bat ban pen khia mansim. Haba ai jingkran ha kani ka program u Justice Sen u ong ba ka jing sngorit ka de ka jingedon bentalang ladaki we ki ma de ka jing e lani banyak kemen lang ladaki we ki don ha ka jing kemen kapen ken mau yangi ba ka bor ban snutho ya ki we ka shong ha ka do no jong u lani ka brio.
Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, your sense of kindness, empathy will germinate in you from your very young days when you first enter the school. It's your surroundings, it's your parents, it's your teachers, mentors, gurus, whoever you come across in your life. The main thing is this, the love and compassion.
Kanong seng jong ka project Empathy ka vibha lakhera kalapan pau ba ka jingthrang jong ka ban seng ya ka Indian Empathy Institution ka long ban ai jing hikay bat ban pensingo thu ya ki khana school hakeleng kari halor ka jingkong san jong ka buram ka akor bat ka jinglong ka basngorin hakani ka exhibition la panlong ya ka jinga kop draw bat o ashrong ban pen pau ya ka khana shaphang ka jingkermen ka jingkut jingmut bat ka jingsngo para brio.
We are trying to create a buzz about empathy in Shillong town through this exhibition. It is also a collaboration and also, it is basically to bring all the educators on board so that they can get started with the project, with the efforts of spreading the word of empathy in their schools. And we are trying to bring focus to art, we are trying to bring focus to human expression, and we are trying to bring focus to empathy through all these endeavors and events.
Ki khana school na ka Assam Rifles Public School kilapan iling ba ka sap ka phong ka jongki ba kumno tang da ki jingdro ba ki jing o shrong kala ban khata ya ka jing sungo jongki brio khampalat banya ka bakren ka khtien ban pin phriang ya ka khubor ka jing e ka jing le isne bat ka jing kman.
ka art through painting nila u artist open pau ya ka jingmo jing perkhat jong u ka jing shem jong u haki ayu hakya jing im jong u ka bamshwa pe kini baro kini ki artwork fin each one ka ya tho bet da koi ka jing ka ya koi ka khana ka bo fi pe fi sno tho nang to ka kalong different ki bro ka bo pe te ka school jang nim ta ka singi kala organize ya kane program ba day ka exhibition pang art bangin penpriang ya ka neka sya pangka empathy
Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera umalong Director General Jomka Assam Rifles ula banjur ba ka jingsngorit kadai ka baran kam ya baro bat ka kenhon Assam Rifles kayay beteng ban ajing syakri ya ka imlang sa alang bat isnong kitaw hakathan chatay lamingi baro kaway ya ka nik exhibition halor ka phang pedeng ngadon matphi an pen I padba hadu ka laipuai terik Urisa ha All Saints Hall Shillong bat ka khot ngom ha ya baro banwan mat ya ka bor pen khia na gijing dro bat gijing o shrong Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya
Menteri Rang Ba ke Mizoram Laldu Homa ong ba ke Jingwan Ra ya ke lentirel ha ke jela kala pensuk ya ke let kawan bat pentat doru ya ke tiar kitar bat ki marba mardi. Haba ajing kran ha ke jeng rakhi ya ke jing dap arpusan snem jong ke Mizo Hemaiche Insui Kwam Paul MHIP Shillong branch ong ba ya ke mat lentirel ha MEGHALAYA ke deban shimrai bha da kinong yalam namar ba ke bu jingma ya ke jingman rung kirthep jong ki briu ki banabar nakadaw ke jingbam pentrikam ya ke ILP. Ulaldu Homa ulapan pau ru ya ke jingla jong ke jela Mizoram ban yakun persya ya ki kam khai drok lingba ke jingetri lang jong ki buar pahara bat ki seng tremon ngobha.
You believe like that? Prerequisite, anybody outsider who have to come to Mizoram, they have to get permission.
But it has nothing to do with the railway?
No, not with the railway. Either by air or by sea or by road. Whoever comes inside Mizoram, they have to get permission. We have established a security council, in which I am the chairman. We coordinate with the army, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and the police department, excise department, and the NGOs. We all coordinated each other, and we have recovered so many trucks now, and the volume and trade itself is being reduced.
Mentangin ni pai chaki kubor nagathan chatay lamingi. Ka Mizo National Front MNF nin kasngi kala penjari da ka jing pakhang shnong habaro ka wei ka jela na do ka por rew je min step ha do ka por saw je janmit ban persya ya ka rai jong ka sarkar balayalam da ka seng ZPM ban pentri kam ya ka Forest Conservation Amendment Act arhajar apulai kaseng MNF kala ong ba ka ni ka an ka penken ya ka kernet laispa nyau pueji ka bayada ya ka hok jong ki jaka ki puta bat penpau jing sngokia ba ka ni ka an ka ailat ya ki jing trei jong ka sarkar pedeng ha ki jaka ki badan marjan bat ki kaput jong ki wei pat kiri la sakhi ba ka ne ka jing pakhang shnong kala trekam hajan baro ka we ka jela ha ka ba ki office bat ki school kila khanglut kumju ki kali pat ba kila sange ya lat no tangki dukan de marbam bat ki we ki dukan tiar badon kam kila play ka jing khi ka long ka bai jai bat om shamladon ka nu ka khubor badon ka jing ja bas ngosi mentang ni pa ki khubor hagari Menteri Kampo Yeng jong ka sarkar pedeng Amit Shah ulapen mana ba Menteri Rang Ba du keri Narendra Modi saple ya ka jing penlong parit ka bakrau ka ban penlong ha Kevadia Gujarat la syai kasngi ya kan ni ka parit la penlong kum kadak ban rakhe ya ka National Unity Day bat ka lingkhu sni kha ba shispa sanpol snem jong Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ya kan ka parit ka baju penlong manla usnem kumbalong ha kasngi Republic Day on sakhi ya ka jingwane shimenta jong ki kinhon shipai na ka sarkar pedeng bat kumju ru ki pulit ka sarkar jela bat ru ki riodon sap na keleng kari usha ulaong bala penlong ya kan ka program ban penku burom ya ka jing shlur jong ki kinhon pulit bat ru ban penyateli ya ka ri kat kum ka thong jong ka run for unity
सरदार पटेल जी की 150वीं जयंती कल है। वैसे तो हर 31 अक्टूबर को 2014 से प्रधानमंत्री जी केवड़िया कॉलोनी जाते हैं और सरदार साहब की भव्य प्रतिमा के सामने एक परेड का आयोजन होता है। परंतु चूंकि ये 150वीं जयंती है, इस बार विशेष आयोजन किया गया है और गृह मंत्रालय ने यह भी तय किया है कि आज के बाद हर 31 अक्टूबर को इसी प्रकार की भव्य परेड का आयोजन होगा।
Ka Eryong Monta ka bajurba ka bala lunshop ya ki rut duriau jong ka Andhra Pradesh nin kesngi ka lakta ya palat khat pralung lak ngut ki briu hakaleng ki arspa sop kendai teli ki jaka bat khat chiajar sauspa lai sau teli ki shnong ha ka bala wanra ya ka jingjulor ka bajur ya ki jingthung jingtep bat ki jingtei Arngut ki briu ki layap bat iway point khat riu lak ngut ki nong shong shnong ki don ha ki jaka ai jingerap kat kum ka jing ken ka baning kong ka jing do nong ka long palat khat sau spa klur tingka ha ka ba ar point khat sau lak akar ki jing thung jing tep bat ar hajar ar spa khandai pasau ki surok ki la sha pinjulor Menteri Rangba UN Chandra Babu Naidu hadin ke jingjurip ya ke kona sima ula betha ban pen pai biang kloy ya ke boarding bat ke jing penyaso da ke bayaro ya ki bor badikmi ki bala pelat ya ki bamensau ha ke por ke babiang.
Timely we are able to manage because of preparedness. We have prepared all administration very well. And also for the last 5 days, I am monitoring personally. We alerted last mile administration and also politicians to bring awareness among public. We conducted camps also. Even 180,000 people were kept in the camps. We have arranged everything. Because of all our efforts, we are able to reduce the deaths.
Mentangin ya pai ki kubor nakal leng ka pertai. Menteri Kambari Dr. S.J. Shankar ulaya kendu ia uparalok jong u Cyprus Konstantinos Kombos ha nongba Delhi ha kababaro arngut ki nong yalam kila bishar bnia ya ka joint action plan jong ke India Cyprus arhajar arpusan arhajar arpukandai kabla minjur ha kapor ba menteri rangba du jong keri Narendra Modi ulale jingo sha Cyprus ha uni usnem Ki jingakran ki kentup ya ki kam yadari ka khayi pateng ki kor ki bor teknologi bat ki mat jong ka san hima sima jong ka pathai haringkat bat ka jingatrelang ha ki wei pat ki liang U Dr. J. Shankar ula pentikena ba ka India ka kershan ya ka jing sanshar bat ka jinglong trai jong ka Cyprus bat pediang sngobha na ka benta ka EU presidency ha usnam arajar apun riu
India and Cyprus are trusted friends and reliable partners. Trust and time-tested are not easy adjectives to use nowadays, but certainly I think, do that with a great deal of confidence and assurance for this relationship. Our ties have developed into a comprehensive partnership anchored in mutual respect, shared democratic values, and a joint strategic vision. It is forward-looking and it is aligned with the interests and aspirations of both our countries. We also cooperate closely in regional and multilateral fora, including the United Nations, the European Union, and the Commonwealth frameworks. We deeply appreciate Cyprus's consistent support on issues of core interest to India, especially in our battle against cross-border terrorism.
President jong ka US Donald Trump but President jong ka China Xi Jinping kilaikan do ha Busan South Korea henegasngi na kabenta ka jingakran ba markhmat jengki na do usnam arhajar khat khandai kani ka jingakran do ba ar kanta ka bala long ha shirinter jong ka APEC summit ka long banyamir jingmut halor ka jing ha ka khayi ka pateng bat ban pen khlan ya ka jingatri lang ha ka liang ka yo ka kon Presiden Trump ula khot ya uzikum unong ya keren ubating buat open pau ya ke jingkermen halor ke jingete kular haka khayi pateng kabala ban long shen da ka penkut ya ke jingle jingo jong u sha Asia ka bakentup ya ke jingelang bat ke South Korea Japan bat kinong ya lam jong ke ASEAN. Mentang ini pai cek kubor ya lekai. Haka semifinal kabaar jong ka Limpung ICC Women's Cricket World Cup arhajar pusan ha DY Patel Stadium Navi Mumbai ka Australia kala job ya ka jingkenting pisa bat kala jiet bantit ningkong persya ya ke India ha ka ba ka nika kenhun ka bala job hinriu sin ka ba klempat sya rem hadu menta ka tmu biang ban yo ya ka jing job persya ya ke India hadien bakal job ya ki ha ki South Li ki jing kun World Cup bala dap bakentup ya ka semifinal haus nam arhajar ar. Timinta pat ngi pet ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka sun beneng ha ka leng ki benta jong ka jilla. Ha tura ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong lipo degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw menta ka sngi kalong nyau pun riu na ka shispa, bat haba pai pat chanong ba shilong. Ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong 40 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw mentagas ngi kalong proper way na ka shispa. Kat bahaju wai pat ka jing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, bat ka jing shit kalong 80 degree Celsius. Ka jing sngam ka haw mentagas ngi kalong nyau pusaw na ka shispa. Kala bandon ka jing hap slap haki babun ki jaka hatura shlong bat jowai. Sean poi syaka bukut jong ketup kubor ngi nyepet biang sa sisian yakimat bekongsan. Menjur ke kenhun Menteri ke Sorkar ya ka mang tingka kat kum ke jingmi na ka benta ka tenaga produkya ka jing pendrung kampura ya ki nong kai SSA bat ke jing siu na ka benta ki dekot ka VDP. Ompat dek berai ke Sorkar ya ka tarik ban penong election jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council dang penkre ya ki kendon. Ngadon bat pi hang pedeng jong ka empathy art exhibition bala play hanong ba shilong ban kentiu ya ka misian smoret ban yarap ya ki wei ling ba ka sap jong ki kun sam. Ka jing poi kelenti rel ha Mizoram ka penhiar dor ya ki tiar kitar bat ki marba mardi ong menteri lang ba ka Mizoram ulal du homa. Wat on play Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ya ke jing parit ke bakrau ke ban penlong haki badia kena Amit Shah ya ke Run for Unity habarok ke Keri. Ti paralok kat tungi lapoi Shah ke bukut jong ke thup kubor jongi minta ke janmet hadu bangin dai syambiang bat pila syai ke sngi kublei pi baro.